So just really, really special, really, really beautiful. And I'm seeing the numbers as well. Is that a different set or do we get both?
The numbers are separate.
Okay, so this is the alphabet set, but you're going to go ahead and get, you know, these beautiful, kind of very charming, whimsical alphabet letters included here today for $24.95. Very cool. I love your style.
Thank you. Now, and the fun thing about these dies is they are so incredibly intricate. We're going to zoom in on this because I want you to see. Look at that fun. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And that is so incredibly thin. Now, that is why I included the adhesive sheets, because it's very important that you have those adhesive sheets. Because can you imagine trying to add adhesive to the back of one of these beautiful letters? It's just not going to work. So let me show you a little bit about the adhesive sheets for 5 seconds, and then we'll go back into more of those beautiful designs. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the adhesive, and let's say I wanted.
And we've lost Stephanie, so I will take over. And I'm getting word, Rob, you said the numbers are sold out indeed. If you want the letters, remember you're getting 54 of those dies. You get your idea book as well. So you're gonna go ahead and get your inspiration here as well. But this is one of them I wanted to show you. Get well soon. Isn't that cute? I love that. And I love that she threw in the adhesive paper. Of course, you can go ahead. I'm sure that you've got adhesive paper at home or you can buy more, but it's nice to know that right out of the box, we can get started with that 10-pack of the double-sided sheets. Customer pick, 5-star rated. And you know, I know that every single time we have alphabet sets on HSN, they always go and they always sell out because you're going to use these for a lifetime. So Stephanie, what a nice little complete set. I'm glad you're back.
Thank you. Yes, look at how gorgeous that is. And you can just see how easy it is. Now it does also, and we haven't mentioned this yet, it does also come with the shadows. Every letter comes with the shadow. So you have double the options. So you can do it just like this with just one, or you can do it with both. Here I have it with the shadow as well. You get to mix and match and do that. But what I wanted to show you was how easy it is to do the adhesive sheets. I've layered this on the top, on the back, turn it over, and then we're going to die cut it. And then I'm going to have all of my awesome letters. So there's my H, and look at this. This is so intricate. You can see how incredibly intricate these are. And what I can do is I can literally peel this backing off, and look at that. It is now a sticker. It's a sticker because of those adhesive sheets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to lay it right on top, just like that. So easy and so fun. Now there is another fun technique, and our little idea book does show you this. But if you run it through at the exact same time, see how I have both dies in there? I have the inside and the shadow. I use some washi. I ran it through my machine. Then I'm going to take it off, and I'm going to show you some extra magic. Look at this. Not only do I have my letter cut out, gorgeous, I now have a shadow cut completely too. So technically, I'm getting 3 different pieces. I'm getting the shadow, the outline shadow, or the die itself. So it's so much fun.
Right.
So
I was wondering, I said 54 pieces. I'm like, oh, I understand now. Okay.
Yes. And of course, we're going to give you this handy dandy idea book. It's going to show you step by step different options, different ways to do things. And it's going to show you up close and personal the samples we've shown you today, so you really get an idea of what you need to create those products.
Fantastic. Hey, we are very busy, and I really only had about 1,000 of these sets, Stephanie. If you want to order, everybody at home, you've got to be quick on this one, 703-945. I think we never get enough of our alphabets. We want every single font we find. I know I had the balloons in the last hour. This is definitely very different. I love it with the little, almost like the little polka dot. So sweet. That's my favorite one. Get well soon. Very, very sweet.
Isn't that cute? I love that one.
I do too. And we are very busy. Thank you for your orders. As you can see, over 300 now gone. 703-945 is your item number. But it's nice to know that you make a purchase, and you know, especially with the alphabet, you're going to use these forever and ever and ever. Oh. And the quality of your dies, it's really there.
Thank you. And even for scrapbooking too. They're really awesome for scrapbooking. They're a great size. They're a larger size than you'd expect. So it's a nice for cards or scrapbooking. Either way, you're going to be great with these.
Yeah, and they are a larger size, speaking to your point. So what, over like an inch in the length, right, Stephanie?
I believe they're an inch and a quarter.
Yeah.
I believe they're an inch and a quarter. And look at this. I even have a handy dandy ruler here.
Look at you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me. Almost an inch and a half.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, so that big, beautiful font that everybody can read. I don't need to put my readers on for it. There's a little bit of charm to it. There is a delicacy to it, almost like a little laciness to it because of the little perforations there. The numbers are now sold out, but we still have the alphabet, and that is, remember, 54 pieces, because not only do you get your letters, but you get your shadows as well. Your item number is 703945. 4 flex on all of our crafting for today means you're only paying $6.24 on any debit card, any credit card, any PayPal account to get these home. And Stephanie, 5-star rated. So not a lot of reviews for a newer product, but still on your way to that unbelievable, you know, set of reviews, because everybody that rated it 5 stars.
Great. Yes. You know what? Our customers are they're really awesome, and they grabbed these as soon as they got on the website. And don't forget, you're also getting the 10-pack of adhesive sheets.
That's right.
Which you're going to fall in love with, definitely.
That's right. Well, Stephanie, it's so good to work with you and to meet you. Congratulations on your awesome kits, because making crafting easy is what we're looking for. It doesn't matter what level of expertise you have. So thank you, Stephanie.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too, my friend. Stay safe and stay healthy. We are moving on. Quick little update. The Flip It cart, the Flip It dies, Stephanie, are sold out. So thank you for your orders, everybody.